Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today's tutorial is about how to prepare slides while recording your lecture. And before further proceeding, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel by subscribing the bell icon at that logo you have been shown in each slide. So the discussion agenda for today's tutorial is about slide standardization. Then we will suggest you some duration for recording lectures so that it can be easily uploaded. What will be the video format and the quality, and also about the audio format while recording. So a template first slide is shown, and you have just to consider the background that has been used for this first slide, and it is mandatory to follow all these standards for the first three slides. Here you can see that the position of that logo at specific coordinates, the title of that course, and the font size that has been used, the course code, and introduction about that faculty member, details about the topic, and logo of that YouTube channel. So a standard font along with the size of that font has been shown. So you have to follow this. And from second slide onward, you need to add that footer with details about the course, the course code, about the instructor, department or institute from which he or she belongs, and his or her email ID. This template, this first three slide template, has already been uploaded at a Google Drive, and you will see the link at the end of this tutorial, from where you can download this template. You can just edit it and you can use it for your lectures for onward recording. So the second slide needs to be as per the standard shown, in which the top left area shows the details of the topic, and then the discussion agenda, and then the topics, subtopics that needs to be discussed. So again, the standardization have been suggested, so you need to follow that. And again, you can see that from second slide onward, there is a footer on each slide, and every slide must have that Cust YouTube channel logo. The third slide and the slides thereafter. So again, the details about the topic has been shown at a particular place, at a particular location, and then about the first subtopic, and then the discussion or the contents about that subtopic. So some standardization has been suggested. So it is suggested to follow such standards. And one important thing, that if you want to throw your live web camera video on your PowerPoint presentation using any plugin add-ins, so the position where your video will be thrown through web camera or through your embedded laptop camera, so it should be at a specific position, and the details about the position and the size of that window is also standardized, so you need to follow that as well. So the duration of the lecture is up to 15 minutes. That is the maximum duration for a recorded lecture. And why it is 15 minutes? Because it will be very easy to upload that 15-minute video at YouTube or at Cust Media server. Secondly, it will require less time at your laptop or at your mobile for rendering, and it will require less time to download it. So it is suggested that the maximum duration for that recorded lectures need to be 15 minutes. About the video format, its quality, and about the audio format and recording, it is suggested that the MP4 video format may be used, or maybe allowed using the software settings. It is the best uploading video format for YouTube or media servers. And the video needs to be recorded at 1080p. Why? Because when you are going to upload it at YouTube or media server, so this server reduces its quality. So it is better to record the video in high quality. And the audio format, so the AAC, advanced audio coding format, may be used, and you need not to worry. The MP4 container or the video format, if set to MP4, so it is wrapped in that. This audio format technique AAC is wrapped at MP4 container. So you can download these sample slides from the links shown, and you can just use it by customizing it with your contents. And thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel by clicking the bell icon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.